Hello everybody, for those who don't know me, I am Miss Haley and this is my model Olivia. Today we are going to be showing you how to prepare your hair and makeup for our recreational recital dances.
The first step you'll want to do is apply a liquid foundation all over the face using a makeup sponge or a brush. This next step is optional, but if you have a powder foundation, you can go ahead and add that on top of the liquid foundation to set it in place. Our next step, you're going to take a light pink blush and get your dancer to give you a big smile so that you are able to apply this blush to the high points of their cheekbones. Using your brown eyeshadow, you're going to apply this to your dancer's lids, focusing on the outer corners of the eye and softly blending it across the rest of the eyelid to keep things nice and soft. Next up is eyeliner. We recommend using a black liquid eyeliner or a black eyeliner pencil. For our demonstration today, we will be using black eyeshadow, which will also do the trick if you don't have access to these two items. For the eyeliner, you are going to apply this along the top of your lash line and extend it past the outer corner just a little bit to create a small wing. Next up is lipstick, which can sometimes be tricky applying to your little one. So our trick is to apply your tube of lipstick to the lower lip and get them to rub their lips together so that it transfers to the top lip. Next, if you have a small lipstick brush handy, you can go ahead and fill in the outlines of the lips with the lipstick that has already been applied. False eyelashes are not required for dancers, so please don't forget to apply a coat of mascara to your dancer's eyelashes.